It is so fucking cold, and I'm wearing flip-floppies in the snow. Can you believe this? It's ridiculous. Let me show you the snow. Wait, can we take this moment and announce this thing? I'm on YouTube, baby. We on YouTube. Ooh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you just joined in, welcome. On this video, we will be styling. I'm gonna be styling custom pieces that I've been having for quite a while. Yes, some of the clothing items is from brands in South Africa that I brought into America when I came in. So I'll be styling that with a few jewelry items that I bought online. So it's gonna be a styling 101 type of vlog, and please don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also just tell me what's your thought on my styling. And
うしても取り方どうしても取り方どうしても
Everything is covered in ice. I'm scared that I'm gonna fall. I am terribly scared that I'm gonna fall. I'm from the gym. I'm already covered in snow. Like everything is like bad. Thank you awesomely for watching this video. I had so much fun doing it and creating it and curating it for you guys. It was so much fun experiencing the snow and vlogging my outfits. It was actually fun doing it, although it seems kind of stressful because my clothes was so weird, but I enjoyed doing it for you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying tuned. and I promise you the next video is going to be big. I've been close and personal with every experience that I'm having in America, so it's going to be amazing. Stay tuned.